Hello traders, FX Collector here. Today is Monday, May 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the US dollar yen monthly, it still looks to me like a possible ABC correction, especially with this break of structure to the downside. It looks to me like even if this is going to be an ABC down and then it does go up, or whether it's a 1, 2, 3, because if this is the end of an ABC, this will be a 1, 2, 3 and just keep on trending down. Either scenario, it does look like this move up should be a correction to this last wave down. Now looking at other yen pairs have a long ways to go to the upside, so it definitely gives us a little bit of doubt that this will turn back down, but it does look like, based on the pattern, that it should. Going down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where you can start to see the lower lows, lower highs, probably a wave 1. Now it's looking for sure like it's an ABC correction, which is probably not even over. It's probably going to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. So if we see price go up to one of these fib levels, make a big engulfing candle, that's what will tell us that this is a wave C, and that we will definitely be ready to go short for the continuation of what will probably be a wave 3. Now, like I said, since we don't really know for sure that this is going to go back down like this, we definitely want to be looking for longs on shorter time frames while we learn if this is a wave C or whether it just keeps on going up. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, we are looking for longs in an uptrend while we learn if this is a wave C or not. I guess this over here, originally I was thinking was a correction, but I guess this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. This is probably an A, B, C, or B, and this is probably a 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 5 of C forming now. So if it goes up to one of these Fibonacci levels, makes a nice impulsive move down, takes out structure, that is exactly what I need to see to show me that that is a wave C, and that the wave C is over, and that we need to start going short in a downtrend, but not until I see a break of structure like this, because like I said, there's always a possibility, especially looking at other yen pairs, that this could just keep on trending up. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I do believe that this right here is not an ABCDE anymore like I've been forecasting for a couple weeks now. It's very obvious now that this right here is a wave 1 and that this made a wave 2, ABC down for the 2, impulsive up, break of structure showed us that the wave 2 was over, and we are in an uptrend. I believe we have a long ways to go, so if we see any pullbacks, those are the trades that I'm looking for the continuation of the uptrend, especially on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I think we're in a wave 3, and I do see the shape of a trend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So hopefully the next thing to happen is that it will make an ABC pullback. If I see ABC 3 waves down, impulsive up, especially if I can identify a break of structure for that wave C, then that is what I'm looking for to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Higher time frames, like I said, we believe we're going up for a big wave C. So, shorter time frames, we're just going to continue to look for longs in an uptrend while we learn if this really is a wave C or whether it just keeps on trending up. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.